Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share my experience with the brand new iPhone 17 and honestly it feels really special to use this device. iPhone 17 has a sturdy build, aluminum frame and glass back, making it feel solid and premium with minimal flex. Its black color variant looks sleek and the ceramic seal too adds excellent scratch protection. Overall, it delivers a reliable and comfortable build that stands out among the flagship smartphones. iPhone 17 features a stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology offering adaptive refresh rate up to 120Hz for ultra-smooth scrolling and movement. Actually, the outdoor visibility is outstanding thanks to 3000 nits peak brightness and a 7-layer anti-reflective coating which cuts down reflection by 33%. iPhone 17 features a dual 48-megapixel camera system, a Fusion main camera and a Fusion ultra-wide camera. You can see the footage from the main camera. The color seems to be on point and actually there is no added saturation in the image. The main sensor is of 48 megapixel and that can take up to 2x optical zoom, and the details are very good as you can see here in this picture. There is no loss of details and if you zoom you will get enough clarity. This is the final output of this image. There is no color shifting. Then if I click photos in the ultra wide sensor, you can see that in the ultra wide sensor also there is no shifting of colors. All the two cameras actually perform in exact condition. This is the final output of the ultra wide image. The main sensor can shoot up to 10x digital zoom, and when you zoom up to 10x the photo seems to be little bit grainy and blurred as you can see here. So it is not a telephoto lens, so you cannot take zoomed photos. If you take, the output will be like this. With these camera sensors you can take up to 4K 60 FPS footages as you can see here. Let me show you. And the quality from both the sensors are actually excellent. We all know that video stabilization and crispness on iPhone is next level. So if you are a content creator, in that case this camera will definitely make you happy. I have been testing the cameras more and I will upload a review video about the camera, so stay tuned for that video also. The base variant of iPhone 17 is 256GB, so you don't have to worry about the storage while taking photos or shooting videos. I think Apple has done a good job by providing 256GB in the base variant. The processor of iPhone 17 is A19 Bionic chip that is very powerful. This chip will be very useful for content creators who wants to edit and render videos on their iPhone. The review video of iPhone 17 will be out very soon. So in the conclusion, I am very happy using this smartphone right now. I bought this iPhone by exchanging my iPhone 14 and I got about 30,000 discount, plus I got 6,000 discount on SBI card, which makes the deal very interesting. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.